In today's video, I'm going to show you whether Valorant is possible on Linux. See the trick. Valorant on Linux is a hot topic because Riot Games has not released a native Linux version, and its Vanguard anti-cheat system is designed to work only with Windows. This makes it seem impossible at first glance, but there are tricks Linux gamers use to get Valorant running. The most common approach is using a Windows compatibility layer like Wine or Proton through Steam's Proton. However, Vanguard blocks these by default, which is why Valorant won't usually launch on Linux. The workaround is to run the game inside a Windows virtual machine or by using dual boot. With dual boot, you keep Linux for your everyday use and switch to Windows when you want to play Valorant, ensuring full compatibility and no anti-cheat issues. That said, some advanced Linux users experiment with GPU pass-through via a VM. This setup allows you to create a virtualized Windows environment on Linux while giving the VM direct access to your graphics card. With GPU pass-through, Valorant can actually run as if you were on native Windows, bypassing the compatibility block. The catch is that this requires extra setup, BIOS support for virtualization, and a fairly powerful system with a secondary GPU. For everyday gamers, the most realistic trick is still using dual boot. It guarantees stability, avoids bans, and ensures Vanguard works properly. Until Riot decides to release a Linux build or relax Vanguard's restrictions, this is the safest path. Pro tip: if you're a Linux gamer who also streams or does creative work, consider installing Windows on a smaller partition dedicated only to games like Valorant. This way, you don't compromise your Linux setup while still enjoying smooth gameplay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.